channel. Myself Prince over here, and in this video we are going to implement a project named as Airline Reservation System, which is built on Java architecture. For this project I have particularly used Java EE. We can also call it as Java Enterprise Edition. In that, for the front end of the project I have used JSP, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For the backend logic I have used Java Servlets. For storing our data into a database I am using MySQL, and that's it. Let's start with the execution. So let's close this image first. This is our Eclipse IDE. So this sign up file contains all the files. Inside sign up files I have the src main file, which contains all Java servlet files. In libraries I have various libraries which I have used in this project. Connector for connecting my database to my main logic, an activation and mail function to send a mail to the user using SMTP protocol, and I have also used various JSP pages and background images to make an user-friendly web page. So this is my main page. You can also call it as home page. So let's run it. Let's go over here, run on server, next, finish. So here we got our web page. So we have our navigation or menu bar upside over here. So it's login, register. If you are new user, if you have an account you can log in, and if you wanna know about our services and something about the IndiAir, you can just click on it and have a view. Let's click on it. Yeah, you can have a view about us and careers opportunities, what we can give for our employees, or just for a formality. It's not the, as you know, it's a demo project. Let's go back. Okay, here we have a feedback page. If you click here, and you can give feedback as per your experience. Here we have various maps. The maps, this includes the states or the cities which I have included in this project. Contact us. If you click on this if you are using this in mobile, it's a demo number, but still if you are using this or visiting this website in a mobile, then if you click on this it will show you a pop-up that pick an app to open this. So as you know, PC doesn't support this calling system, so let's click on mail, and it will also give an same option that click an or open a Gmail account to send a mail to link. Let's close it. Let's refresh the page. Now let's go over here. As you have seen, you might wonder what is this. This is a chatbot with an 24/7 assistant with an human agent. So the human agent itself is me only. As you know, it's a demo project, so I need to do all the stuffs. So it is powered by Talk2. It is a website which you can use to access the chatbots in your websites. You can use that website to access their script, and you have to paste that code over in your project, and you can use it. So let's type I have a question. And let's go over here to the dashboard, refresh the page, and as we can see over here that we got an chat request. So open the chat, let's join the chat. Hey, welcome to IndiAir. So let's go back to our menu, and you can see over here that it's perfectly implemented. The agent sent the message to the client and the client got it. So this is how you can contact with an user or an agent. Whatever queries you have about this website, you can ask. Let's close it. Now let's start with the procedure. Let's register a user first. Now firstly we need to go in our database and see what all kind of data is present over there. Let's see. Oh, here we have a MySQL command line. As you know, as I've entered with my MySQL password, I have just implemented a simple query of show databases. In that I have created a database known as Prince data. I'm using that data. Now let's see the tables. Show tables, enter. Here we have different types of tables for different types of queries. Let's open the user table. Oh no, we have to select it. Enter. Here we got the default users which I have inserted earlier. Now let's insert a new user. So let's go and register a user. Let's open this Chrome tab and let's write our email address. Let me paste my email address. This is my email address. Let's click on send OTP. It will show this, but still we will verify the email first. And the email has been successfully sent to our email ID. Let's go in our console and see. Yeah, it has been successfully sent. So let's go into the email account and Gmail inbox and see if the email has received or not. Oh, as you can see, we have got the email. Dear user, your OTP. Oh, what is this? Okay. Dear user, your OTP for the email verification is this. Enter this OTP to proceed. Okay, let's copy this and paste this over there in our registration page to verify our email. So our email got successfully verified. So let's enter our name. For this instance, I am naming it as Rock Johnson. Let's enter a mobile number 97. Oh, I don't want this. 97. Oh, 1 second. Okay, 9735 102058. As you can see, now we have entered 10 numbers, and if you enter more numbers, then it will give an error, and it will say that you should number should also always start from 6, 7, 8 or 9, and it should be maximum of 10 digits. So if I go and I have 10 digits but I start with something else than 6, 7, 8, 9, like 5, it will give an error. So let's click on 9. Okay, we have entered a mobile number. Let's enter a username, rock @757. Let's enter a password. Let's confirm the password. Let's show the password. Yeah, it's okay, all set. And you might have noticed, even if I enter using a lowercase, it will convert the lowercase into an uppercase. So for now I have not clicked on caps lock or shift button, but still when I click on R, it gives an capitalized letter. So it makes better for an database handler to read a particular name. So let's submit it. Or let's send an OTP first of all to verify this mobile number. I will click on send OTP. Okay, the OTP has went. Let's go to console. The OTP verification I could have done better, but still due to some circumstances mobile SMS was not possible, so I have used this demo process. Let's paste it over here. Verify the OTP. Yeah, once we get verified, the page gets submitted and we have successfully registered. Now let's go and check in our database that if our data are stored or not. And let's execute this query. As you can see, we have got the data and database over here. Rock Johnson, username as rock757 and password as rock@757, and email ID as you know we have verified it. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing, that once you register yourself and if you get this message, you will automatically get an email that you have successfully registered to this account. So for this instance I have inserted this email address. So let's go over here, let's go into inbox. Oh yeah, you can see it over here, like from IndiAir, dear rock. It took the username and sent the message to his registered email ID. Thank you for registering with IndiAir. We have excited to have you on board, and you can do these stuffs in our website. So let's close this, open our main page. Okay, then let's log in. We'll write the username as rock@757 and we'll write the password as rock@757. Just hit on login and here we are. We got into the user's dashboard. Here you can see the main interface which an user will see, like origin, destination, departure date, return date, adults, how many adults are traveling, how many children are traveling, how many infants are traveling, and which travel class you wanna travel, economy or business. There are various cities where you can travel in. So now let's look at, before proceeding with this, now let's have a look at the admin panel. Let's log out. Let's go to our database and let's open our database as so here we have our admin data. username. Now let's log in as admin, and I will insert the admin's username as administrator, and let's remove the space, and let me write the password admin at the rate 123 and hit on login, and it got login. So for adding a flight for an location or route, admin should log in and he should add flights so that user can book the flights on the selection of his location. So as you can see in the menu bar, there is an add flight option, update flight option, remove flight option, and add airport option. Add airport means simply adding the location. As you might have seen that there were various cities and various airports like Bombay, Chennai, Bangalore, within where you can travel and manage users to manage users activities and how many users are logged in or how many users have created their account, that he or she can manage it over here. Let's first add a flight. Click on add a flight. Let's name it as Air India only. Departure from Mumbai to Chennai, and it will depart at the early morning of 10th of August, 5:30, and it was 6:30. Okay, and it will reach Chennai by 8:35. As you know that airline has their dynamic fare, so it changes every day, so the admin need to monitor all the prices of different websites and give them a cheapest fare to gain more customer and to increase the users of our website. So let's write as 3500. It's considered for the economy class. For business class, this price will be doubled, as I have written the logic in the servlet file, so it will double this amount and will book the business class ticket. So let's click on add flight. Oh, we can see the flight added successfully. Let's go back. Let's have a look on manage users. Let's view users. Here we have 5 users. Okay, we'll go back. Don't want to do anything else from this, so let's log out and let's log in as user once again. Let's enter the password as rock@757 and let's log in. And now let's search for a flight from Mumbai to Chennai, the day of 10th of August. Let's keep it as one-way flight as we have not added one more flight details in the admin panel. So we'll continue with an one-way flight. So let's select 2 adults, 1 child and 1 infant. Let's select the class as business and let's hit on search for flights. As you can see, the flight which we included over there, we got it over here and the price got doubled, as you can see. So let's click on this flight and proceed with the passenger details. Now in the passenger details you might have note that PNR number is already generated. So let's enter passenger number 1, Rock, age 52, gender male, adult to Tiffany, age 42, gender female, Cody, age 11, gender male, infant as J, and age as 2 months maybe, and gender as male. Okay, it's giving an error that okay, then 1. As you can see, if we write the age below 12 it will give an error that age must be 12 or older. So let's enter 52. Same goes with the other also, other criteria also, like child it can't be below 2. Oh yeah, below 2, and for the infant it can't be more than 1. And here we can see the summation of the total price that for the one adult of who is traveling in business class, it double the price of 3500 into 2x. Then the price got doubled, and now it's adding up of 2 adults, 1 child. It will also be the same, and infant it will be the half price of adult and child. So let's proceed with the payment. So here it's asking for debit card, credit card, UPI. Let's click on UPI. It's just a demo payment method. No records getting stored in this database. Let's search in Rock 1212 the rate OK HDFC Bank. Then click on Pay Now. The payment got successful and we got our ticket. You can see that it's one-way ticket, and we all got all the name and just payment method confirm. We can print the ticket. Just click on print. It will show this, and we need to click on color, and it will give an ticket generated over here. We'll just hit on print. We can save it as Rock's ticket. Once its booking is done, it will ask for an feedback. You can give the feedback as you wish. Four, 5, just a smiley face, and submit the feedback. And we got back to our main user dashboard page. Now let's view our ticket. So for viewing your ticket you need your PNR number. So for that let's open our PDF and see the PNR number. And we opened our ticket and we see the PNR number over here. It's not letting me to copy it, so I will just write the PNR number, INDI 1754 6837 70. Let's hit on search, and here we can see that we got our details, that who is the passenger and what's the data of the timing, what's the date of travel, and what's the arrival time and departure time from the airport, what's the total price paid by the customer. If we click on cancel ticket, our ticket will get cancelled. Let's click on cancel ticket, and it got cancelled, and it gives a message like booking cancellation successful. The money will be refunded as the way you paid for the ticket. So if you want to edit your profile, you will need to click on profile, and you can see your profile over here. If you need to edit your profile, let's click on edit. Whatever you wanna edit in your profile, you can edit it. It's like I wanna edit my phone number, 7, update it, so it got updated. If you want to check, you can go in the database and check it. As you can see, our phone number is updated. If you want to change your password, you can also do that. Just click on change password. It will take to a change password page. Enter your correct password. Let's enter the current password, rock@757. Let's enter a new password as rock@0990, rock@0990. Let's hit on change password, and our password got changed. As you can see over here, our password got changed, but still you can go into the database and check if the password is changed or not. Yeah, our password is changed. As you can see, it was earlier 757, now it's 0990. So that's it. If you wanna delete your account, you can also delete that. For that, you just need to click on delete account, and it will get deleted. Let's go back firstly. If you wanna book a return ticket, so let's do that also. Let's log out first of all. Let's log in as admin, as administrator. Let's click the back over here, admin @1 2 edit. Let's add a flight. Let's add Spice Jet, departure from Ahmedabad to Mumbai, and it will take on 10th on 1:50 AM. It will reach Mumbai by 10th of 4:50 AM. Let's write the fare as 4,000 and add this flight. Now let's add another flight on different date, so that we can perform the return ticket booking procedure. Let's add Indigo, Ahmedabad, Mumbai to Ahmedabad. We have to come return now. We have to return to Ahmedabad, so for that we have to select departure from Mumbai to Ahmedabad, as we are going from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. So let's select the date as 11th of August. The flight will be at 12 noon. My bad, 12 noon, and it will reach Ahmedabad by 30 maybe. I'm just eyeballing it. I don't know the official timing, how much flight time it takes, but still let's consider as 2.5 hour flight, and we'll add the fare as 3,500 and let's save it. Now both the flight details got saved. You can also go in the database and check whether the data got stored or not. Let's select all from flights, enter. Here we can see this was the earlier one which I used for the demo testing for a single way booking. Now we have created this 2 flights, so let's book the ticket for that. Let's log out as admin and log in as user. Let's enter the new password as we have changed the password for the user 0990. So login. Yeah, we got logged in. Let's search flight from Ahmedabad to Mumbai on 11th of August. 10th of August is the departure and the return date is 11th of August. Let's have only one adult. Select the class as business and we'll hit on search for flights. Yeah, here we got available flights for both departure and return flights. We can add multiple flights for a single instance, but for the explanation I have used the less amount of data to make you understand more in a more better way. So let's click on this SpiceJet as well as Indigo and book both the flights. Let's enter my name as Prince, age as 20, gender as male. Total price we have to pay is 11,250 INR. Let's proceed with the payment. Let's do the payment using debit card. Yeah, we got our ticket. Here we have flight details. It's the departure flight and it's the returning flight. The flight name is SpiceJet over here and it's Indigo over here. We can do the same by printing ticket and just click on print and save it as Prince ticket and save it. You can also give a feedback as per your will. So I will give normal feedback and a text as nice and submit the feedback. Now as we have seen 2 instances for booking a flight for single departure or one-way flight and also for a return flight, each has a different logic. So if the user books a flight, then he will get the result of the data printed to in his ticket as one-way flight. If he travels in a return type of trip where he is also traveling one way and he is coming from that state or city on the other day, then you can see that we have printed the return data in that. So now let's delete this. Before deleting, let's go over here and let's see the various types of databases which we have created. Let's access the tables. For now we have accessed the user table, admin table and flights table. Let us now access the locations table. Here we got all the locations which we have in our database. Now let's see the data for the passengers details. Oh, my bad. Passenger details. Over here you can see the passenger details. Now let's look at the booking table where all the booking data is getting stored. Here we can see that the latest booking details of user number 5, which is the current user. So now let's check the payment table. And you can see over here that we have booked 2 flights, one for single way and one for the double way ticket or two-way ticket. We can also have a look at the accounts which have been deleted earlier by accessing the deleted account folder. We can see which all accounts were earlier or previously deleted. For now it's none of the accounts have been deleted, so let's delete the current account, the rock757 account. Let's click on profile, let's click on delete account. It's asking for a reason. Are you sure you want to delete your account? We are sure that we have to delete our account. It's asking for various reasons in a radio button, so let's click one of them. Found an alternative and we'll write a thank you note. Thank you IndiAir. And here's the main thing: until and unless you enter your password, your account will not be deleted. So if someone got the access of your account and means you logged in your account and you have kept your phone or your laptop just turned on or went for something or some work came in between, it might happen, you might know. So someone might have that mischievous instinct that let's delete his account. So for that reason we have kept this feature that whenever you want to delete your account, it will ask for a confirmation of your password. So the one who knows your password can delete your account. For that we have to think more critical. Let's now have a look on this rock@0990 and let's click on yes, delete my account, and the account got successfully deleted. And yeah, once you delete your account, you will also get an email in your previously stored email which you gave in the registration time, you will get an email in that you have been successfully deleted your account. Let's have a look on that. Let's go back to inbox. Let's refresh this. Over here you can see an email like account deleted successfully. Let's click on this, and here you can see, dear user, we are sorry to see you go. Your account has been successfully deleted from the IndiAir. If you ever decide to return, we'll be happy to welcome you back. So this is a feature we have used to notify user by sending him the OTP by verification of his email ID and welcoming note that he have successfully registered your account, and once he deleted his account, we will also send him a mail so that he will be also sure that his account got deleted. He will not worry. So yeah, this was our main implementation of our project. Let's have a look at the deleted database, as it was showing empty set because they didn't delete any of the data. So now let's copy that code and run it. Now you can see the ID and the username of the user and what was the reason for deleting the account and others, and the date and time of the deletion of the account. Yeah, this was the thing. Hope you liked this video. This was it. I hope you like this video, and if you like, then please do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friend. And that's it for this video. We'll come back with another banger video for you with a new project implementation. If you have any queries or any doubt, you can surely comment in the comment box. Hope so you like this video. Thank you.